How does crypto mining work? Crypto mining plays a vital role in securing and decentralizing blockchain networks. It ensures that transactions are verified without the need for third-party involvement. Although the process differs slightly depending on the network, most utilize a proof-of-work (POW) mechanism. This typically requires miners to solve complex calculations using specialized devices. So, what's the incentive for miners? Miners are rewarded with a portion of the transaction fees plus newly minted coins. For instance, the Bitcoin network currently offers a mining reward of 3.125 BTC every 10 minutes, worth around $183,000 at today's prices. Apart from Bitcoin, other popular mineable cryptocurrencies include Ethereum Classic, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Dash. While these are less competitive than Bitcoin, they present a better opportunity for consistent profits. Let's look at the three most common methods of crypto mining. Solo mining. This involves operating as a standalone miner, where your device is connected directly to the blockchain. However, solo mining is virtually impossible for Bitcoin today due to the enormous financial outlay required. To solo mine Bitcoin, you'd need an ASIC farm, 24/7 security, and immense energy resources. That said, solo mining remains feasible for less popular cryptocurrencies using CPUs or GPUs. Even mobile crypto mining can work in certain cases, which I'll touch on shortly. Pool mining. Pool mining is another method where you contribute your computing resources to a mining pool. This collective effort increases the chances of earning consistent payouts. The rewards are distributed based on how much hashing power you contribute, whether you use CPUs, GPUs, or ASICs. Cloud mining, one of the most popular options, especially for mobile users, is cloud mining. Here, you don't need any physical hardware. Instead, you invest in a pre-established mining farm and purchase a contract representing your share. Profits are distributed accordingly after deducting the provider's fees. How does Android crypto mining work? Mining on mobile devices works slightly differently due to the limited hashing power of smartphones. While phones can't mine large-cap coins like Bitcoin, they are suitable for mining lesser-known coins with lower competition. The phone's spare resources, such as its internet connection, are used to verify transactions, and payouts are made in the respective token. The more popular option is cloud mining, where you purchase contracts via apps on your Android phone. This is a great way to mine Bitcoin without needing expensive hardware, with contracts often starting under $20. Which coins can I mine on an Android app? You can mine some of the most popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Zcash through cloud mining apps. Since the smartphone won't be directly involved in the mining process, its specs don't matter. Alternatively, you can mine lesser-known coins suitable for mobile devices. DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure networks. Projects are common for mobile mining. For example, mobile devices providing GPS or Wi-Fi signals can help mine these coins. Crypto mining apps on Android smartphones. Solo mining apps. Solo mining apps allow you to mine cryptocurrencies directly on your phone without intermediaries. A great example is Helium, which enables users to share internet hotspots and earn mobile tokens. Helium's app allows you to mine and trade tokens on exchanges like Coinbase and KuCoin. Cloud mining apps. Cloud mining is a much easier option for mining Bitcoin from your Android phone. You simply open an account, buy a mining contract, and receive daily payouts based on your contract's share in the overall hashing power. Fake mining apps. Not all mining apps require significant capital. Some offer small rewards in exchange for completing tasks like surveys, playing games, or watching ads. Although the payouts are minimal, it's a quick way to earn crypto for free. Why choose Android mining? Passive earnings. Once set up, mining apps run automatically in the background, requiring minimal input from you. Low entry costs. With cloud mining, you can begin with as little as $20, making it an affordable entry point compared to traditional setups. Convenience. Your smartphone is always with you, making it easy to monitor and adjust your mining operations on the go. Maximizing mining rewards on Android. Here are a few ways to maximize your rewards. 1. Stay online 24/7 to ensure constant mining. 2. Opt for higher yield cloud mining contracts for more substantial payouts. 3. Focus on lower difficulty coins to maximize your chances of earning rewards. 4. Utilize multiple devices to increase your total hashing power. 5. Sell mined coins at the right time, when market prices are favorable. Is it safe to mine crypto on Android? Mining on Android is safe if you use legitimate apps. Some apps, however, may be scams, so always research before committing. Only download apps from trusted sources like Google Play, and avoid granting unnecessary permissions to mining apps. Conclusion: crypto mining on Android offers a convenient and cost-effective way to earn digital assets. Whether through cloud mining or direct mining, it can be a passive income stream. However, always perform due diligence before starting to avoid scams. FAQs: can I mine crypto on my Android phone? Yes, mobile mining is possible, particularly for low-value coins or cloud mining contracts. Is there a free Bitcoin mining app for Android? Yes, apps like CryptoTab Farm allow free Bitcoin mining, but payouts are small. Which mining app is paying? Coin Mining Farm offers daily payouts based on your mining contracts.